Managing agents is not the same as managing people. People need motivation, context, and trust. Agents need boundaries, objectives, and verification. The old instinct is to watch the work happen. With agents, that becomes a trap, because the real job is deciding what good looks like before execution starts. Most leaders think delegation is the point. With agents, delegation is cheap. The scarce skill is specification. An agent will happily optimize the wrong thing. If the objective is loose, the system will produce confident nonsense at scale. That means managers have to become sharper at framing. The better the prompt, the less chaos you inherit downstream. But prompts are not management. Real management is the operating model around the agent: inputs, approvals, exceptions, and audit trails. AI changes the cost of iteration. You can test more, faster, which means weak assumptions get exposed before they become organizational habits. That is why agent management is less about command and more about calibration. You are tuning a system, not directing a person. The best managers will spend more time on edge cases than on the happy path. Agents are strongest where the rules are clear and weakest where reality gets messy. Escalation becomes a design choice, not a last resort. If the agent cannot know when to stop, the organization pays for its confidence. You also need to manage drift. An agent that was useful last month may be wrong today because the data, policy, or context has shifted. That makes review a leadership function, not an admin task. Someone has to own whether the system is still producing value safely and consistently. The mistake most leaders make is treating agents like labor. They are closer to force multipliers, which means the manager's leverage comes from architecture, not supervision. In practice, that means smaller teams can run bigger systems. The bottleneck shifts from headcount to clarity. The next meeting should not ask who owns this task. It should ask, what can an agent do here? What must stay human? And how will we know it is working?